So how to install Spirii Go app? So just tap get and then double click to install. After that, you will be able to install the app. Easy access to charging and payment across all Europe. Connect, charge and go. So this is app. This is not for United States, North America. This is good for Europe, Denmark, Nordic countries. Our streamlined app packs in smart navigation, Europe-wide roaming, multiple payment options, and customizable home charging tools, giving you full flexibility and unrivaled convenience. Access a European-wide charging network. Spirii Go is fully integrated with Europe's most preferred roaming platform, allowing seamless access to charging points no matter where your journey takes you. Tailor my charging, hassle-free payment, get a full overview, smooth navigation, charge smarter and greener with detailed energy insights, trusted customer support 24/7. So yeah, then you can just tap open it up. Here you can create an account or log in, and then you can just allow your location. You can just tap get started. You need to create an account. To create an account, you can just sign in using Apple, Google, or your phone. You can see connected home chargers. And basically here on the map, you can just see, like, for example, in the city where all these chargers are located and what is the price and when it's open and all of that. So yep, that's basically the idea of that. And then you can filter out by fast, ultra fast, of which are available. There are some additional filters, plug types. So yeah, if you have electric cars, this is kind of a nice app to have in Europe.